Celebrating the blooming cherry trees in Japan is a centuries-old tradition, coming to the US in 1912 as a gift of friendship from Japanese Mayor Yukio Ozaki. The blooms are honored each spring through momentous celebrations of the National Cherry Blossom Festival in Washington, D.C. ARTECHOUSE has taken inspiration from this celebration, creating a brand new way to experience the ephemeral beauty of nature through a digital lens. Using the latest technology, each spring, ARTECHOUSE Studio has crafted and reimagined new experiences that bring people together even after the blooms have fallen. Sakura Yume is the first of these annual exhibitions, honoring the natural and cultural phenomenon of the cherry blossoms. Sakura Yume, meaning cherry blossom dreams, celebrated the ephemeral beauty of the season by inviting visitors into a multi-sensory and interactive springtime experience. In March of 2018, it featured the largest interactive wall display in the world. The exhibition was a collaborative effort between several artist groups and started our ongoing partnership with the National Cherry Blossom Festival. In 2019, ARTECHOUSE celebrated cherry blossoms with In Peak Bloom, which featured works by women artists and female-led art collectives. Working with a variety of interactive media, the artists featured in Peak Bloom brought the cherry blossom symbolism to life in new ways. Hanami was the third annual celebration at ARTECHOUSE. By bringing award-winning Japanese artist Yuko Shimizu's handmade ink illustrations to life with cutting-edge interactivity, Hanami transported visitors into a new tale of spring, one where they could contemplate both the excitement and beautiful chaos of the season. ARTECHOUSE honored cherry blossoms in 2021 with Renewal 2121, which set to inspire hope amid a global pandemic and concerns of climate change, transporting us 100 years into the future. It immersed us in an industrial city where nature fights to survive amid an overdeveloped metropolis. This represents a future that would arrive if humanity continues unchecked at its current pace. There is a hopeful message to be discovered as blossoms are seen peeping through the plastic, concrete, and neon lights, ready to renew the season with the help of those willing to take action. In 2022, ARTECHOUSE created Pixel Bloom, a new custom projection and sound system boasting 122 million pixels and 22.5 channel spatialized audio, merging the digital and physical realms in a one-of-a-kind dynamic experience inspired by nature's beauty. This new detail allowed pixels to bloom, breathing new life into cherry blossoms in peak bloom through an explosion of vibrant colors and textures, intensifying the cherry blossom's allure in a way that is only possible in a virtual environment. In 2023, ARTECHOUSE expanded on the world of Pixel Bloom to celebrate the ephemeral beauty of butterflies and thrilling exuberance of nature. Timeless butterflies felt like stepping into a kaleidoscope of butterflies as they awoke from their winter slumber. Last year, ARTECHOUSE continued to expand on the world of Pixel Bloom with Isekai Blooming Parallel Worlds. This exhibit drew inspiration from a wide range of Japanese pop culture influences from the aesthetic lens of manga and anime. And this year, ARTECHOUSE DC is thrilled to present Blooming Wonders, a Best of Spring exhibition, a vibrant tribute to Washington, D.C.'s beloved cherry blossom season. Now in its 8th year as an official National Cherry Blossom Festival program, ARTECHOUSE is bringing back fan favorites alongside new interactive experiences. Featuring immersive and interactive technology-driven installations, this year's Blooming Wonders invites you to enter a world where nature, technology, and art collide. Digital interpretations of this marvelously ephemeral natural subject might seem like opposites, but ARTECHOUSE's annual celebration of cherry blossoms brings new opportunities and new light to the storied tradition. Time stops, flowers bloom infinitely, and we have a chance to come together.